love it when the witches invite us for tea.
Jelly and sandwiches. And I'm looking forward to that cake you baked.
Oh, no! I've forgotten to bring it.
Oh.
Shall we go back and get it?
We can't. We'll be late for tea.
Oh, can't you make a new one?
I could try.
You'll have to be quick.
Oh, it's no good. The oven isn't hot enough.
Why don't you try a spell, Meg?
Zigger, zagger, rip and blast. Turn up the heat to help me cook fast.
A volcano!
That's a bit too much heat.
Oh, spells are so tricky. Come on! Run!
Faster!
Ah!
Oh, it's no good. It's catching us.
Whoa!
Oh, I wonder why Meg, Mog and Owl are so late.
All the food is ready.
But we can't start without one of Meg's cakes. She always brings lovely cakes.
Phew!
Ah, we should be okay up here.
Whoa! Oh!
What did you say?
Maybe I'll try another spell. Gooseberry Fool, nice and cool. Snow and ice would be nice.
Oh! I say.
Wow! Ice cream! Chocolate, my favourite.
Strawberry, my favourite.
But Meg, what about the cake?
Oh, lovely. Oh, well, no, that's delicious. Oh, yes.
Oh, lovely.
Oh,
We
yeah.
thought this time we wouldn't bake a cake.
Ice cream for tea.
Oh, what a good idea. Oh, you are clever, Meg. Lovely. Vanilla, my favourite.
More, anyone?
Yes, please.
Don't worry, there's plenty left.